Validation allows you to confirm the existence of a given element on a document. In our specific scenario, we want to confirm that invoices have been signed by an authorized person. We have two invoices selected in the application. And in cell B2 in Excel, we want to convey information that both invoices have been signed. To do this, you need to select the appropriate cell in Excel, select validation on the ribbon, go to the relevant invoice, select the place on the document where the signature is located, and information will appear in Excel that this place has been validated and contains the required information. We change the cell to C2, we go to the second document. On this document, we also select the place where the signature is located. This is one way to convey validation information. Another way is to convey this information in a single cell. That is, we go back to document number 1. We select the place where the signature is located. We do not change the Excel cell. We do not press the control button. That is unnecessary. We go to the second document. We select the second document, and information about the validation of both documents appears in the cell. In the bottom right corner, a table with details appears. By clicking on each line in the table, the application takes us to the corresponding place on the document.